Replacing windows in your Auburn Hills home can be a rewarding investment. New windows improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and increase the value of your home. However, homeowners often encounter avoidable mistakes during the replacement process. Whether you're upgrading to modern styles or simply seeking improved functionality, here are the most common pitfalls to sidestep and ensure a smooth, successful window replacement project. Choosing the wrong type of window. One of the most frequent errors is selecting a window style that doesn't align with your home's architecture or your needs. Auburn Hills features a mix of classic and contemporary home styles, so it's essential to choose windows that complement your property. For instance, double-hung windows suit traditional homes. Casement windows work well in modern designs. Bay or bow windows add charm and space to living areas. Additionally, consider energy-efficient models with features like low E-glass or argon gas insulation, especially given Michigan's fluctuating weather. Focusing solely on price. While budget considerations are important, prioritizing cost over quality often leads to regret. Cheap windows may save you money up front, but they frequently lack durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Instead, look for windows that offer a balance between affordability and long-term value. Research reputable brands and installers in Auburn Hills, and don't hesitate to ask for references or reviews. Incorrect measurement. Precision is key when replacing windows. An ill-fitting window not only compromises energy efficiency but can also lead to leaks and drafts. Many homeowners mistakenly rely on rough estimates or fail to account for frame adjustments. To avoid this, consider hiring a professional to take exact measurements. A reliable contractor will ensure that your new windows fit perfectly. Ignoring energy efficiency rating. With Michigan's cold winters and humid summers, energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. Many homeowners overlook critical ratings such as the U-factor and solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC. The U-factor measures insulation performance, while SHGC indicates how much heat the window lets in. Choose windows with low U-factors and SHGC values to keep your home comfortable year-round. DIY installation without proper expertise. DIY projects can be rewarding, but window replacement is often best left to professionals. Improper installation can lead to structural issues, water damage, and higher energy bills. Certified installers in Auburn Hills have the expertise to handle challenges like uneven frames or unusual window shapes. They also ensure compliance with local building codes and warranties. Overlooking ventilation needs. Windows aren't just for light and aesthetics, they're also crucial for ventilation. Some homeowners opt for fixed windows, such as picture windows, without considering the need for airflow. Incorporate operable windows, like sliders or awnings, in spaces like kitchens and bathrooms to promote proper ventilation. Neglecting maintenance requirements. Different window materials have varying maintenance demands. For example, wood windows offer a classic look but require regular sealing or painting to prevent rot. Vinyl windows are low maintenance but may not suit all architectural styles. Fiberglass windows are durable but may come at a higher cost. Understanding the upkeep involved with each material helps you make an informed decision that fits your lifestyle. Failing to check local regulations. Auburn Hills has specific building codes and permit requirements for window replacements. Some homeowners skip this step, leading to costly fines or delays. Before starting your project, consult with your contractor or the Auburn Hills Building Department to ensure compliance. Underestimating the importance of warranty. Windows are a long-term investment, so warranties are crucial. Many homeowners fail to read the fine print or assume all warranties are the same. Look for comprehensive coverage that includes both the product and installation. Reputable Auburn Hills contractors often offer guarantees on their workmanship in addition to the manufacturer's warranty. Rushing the process. Finally, replacing windows is not a project to rush. Take the time to research, plan, and consult with professionals. Hasty decisions can lead to regrets, whether it's the wrong style, poor installation, or a mismatch with your home's overall design. Conclusion. Replacing windows in Auburn Hills can transform your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetics. By avoiding these common mistakes, such as choosing the wrong type of window, neglecting energy efficiency, or attempting DIY installation, you can ensure a seamless experience. Partnering with experienced local professionals and doing your homework on styles, materials, and installation will help you make the most of your investment. In the end, a well-planned window replacement project will provide lasting benefits for years to come.